ago, how to be the grandest of them all. Plant the tree and climb the branches as it grows, but babe, your ass well if you fall. And he was right about one thing. I fell down but I got back up, almost quit but I can't too much. And now it's clear to me, I won't die for what I can't reach. All I need is the life in me. You can make your history. I'll be down here a little more happy. So I became a famous girl years ago, the famous man atop some other tree. The air was bitter cold, so I looked down below, and way out in the distance I could see another life, another me. I fell down but I got back up, almost quit but I can't too much. And now it's clear to me, I won't die for what I can't reach. All I need is the life in me. You can make your history. I'll be down here a little more happy. I'm more happy. I'm down below, but I have grown so much more than up in that damn tree. I fell down but I got back up, almost quit but I can't do much. And now it's clear to me, I won't die for what I can't reach. All I need is the life in me. You can make your history. I'll be down here a little more, be down here a little more. I'll be down here a little more happy. Ooh, happy.
She said, I don't wanna go, but I don't wanna stay. If things keep going on this way. He said, what else can I do? I gave it all to you, working like a dog every day. She said, please just take your eyes and lock them in with mine. See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? He said, I don't understand. I've made the right plan. I've done all that you asked me to do. She said, yes, I appreciate the food here on our plates, but I need so much more than that, my love. I need you to be present here with me. See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? See me, can you really see me? Can we really be we if I can be seen? last night in my bed, she turned to me and said, we can't seem to connect, but why? Oh, we want the same things, but there are wounds upon our wings, keeping us from starting to fly. See me, can you even see me? Can we even be we if we can't be seen? See me, can you even see me? Can we even be we if we can't be seen?
Sailing in ropes, the tighter you pull, the faster you go. As long as the fine's on your back, then you'll know the horizon is quickly approaching. Something worth saying about loosening up when the wind isn't billowing quite like it was, and how turning your boat away from the rocks is the best way to get where you're going. There's something to know about riding a bike. Once you learn how to do it, well, you know it for life. That doesn't mean every trip will be fine. Every time there's a chance you might fall. So there's something worth saying about skinning your knee. Nasty and bleeding, though it may be. Now it's a lesson you can easily see.